The brutal truth about retiring abroad. Every year, thousands of people from Western countries dream about retiring abroad, whether it's Southeast Asia, South America, Spain, whatever, Europe. They imagine warm weather, cheap living, beautiful beaches, friendly people, and a life far away from stress. And yes, many of those things are real, but there's another side of the story that is rarely shown. The side after the honeymoon ends. The side where the excitement fades and real life begins. Because retiring overseas is not just moving to paradise, it's starting a completely different chapter of life. Today we talk about the brutal truth about retirement abroad. So don't go away and enjoy. The first month can feel magical. You wake up and see the sun. You eat fresh food for a fraction of what you pay back home. People are curious about you. You feel younger. You feel like you escaped the system. Many retirees say, why didn't you do that earlier? But the first year is often the easiest. You are still exploring, especially with ladies. Everything is new. Every street feels like an adventure. But eventually, you stop being a tourist. You become a resident. And that's where the whole picture changes. Yeah, people often say, I can live on $1,500 US dollar or even Australian dollar a month in Southeast Asia. Sometimes true, but the question is, what kind of life do you want? A basic lifestyle can be affordable, but comfort costs money. Private hospitals cost money, good housing, imported products, travel, visas, emergency situations. Our retirement budget needs to include the unexpected. The biggest mistake is moving overseas with a tourist budget and a retirement lifestyle. This is the subject many people avoid. Loneliness. You may have thousands of people around you, but still feel alone. You're Your old friends are back home. Your children have their own lives. Your culture, humor, and memories belong somewhere else. Because different culture. Making friends overseas takes effort. And as you get older, building a new social circle becomes harder. A beautiful beach does not automatically create happiness. Many expats find love overseas. Some create amazing families, some find the best years, but relationship between different cultures require understanding. Language differences, different expectations, different ideas about money. Family responsibilities. A relationship can be genuine, but you must understand the culture around it. Love is powerful, but love alone does not solve every problem. The biggest wake-up call. When you are 55, 60, or 65, you feel strong, right? That's how I felt. You think, I'm healthy, but retirement can't last decades. Your body changes. Hospitals become more important. Medical insurance matters. A country that is wonderful at 60 may feel very different at 75. The question is not, can I retire here today? The question is, can I still live here when I need help? Losing your old identity. One strange thing happens to many expats. You leave your old country, but you never completely become part of the new one. You become something in between. Not fully a local, not fully the person you were before. Some people love this, others struggle with it. You have to build a new identity. The people who succeed. So who actually succeeds retiring in Southeast Asia or South America or any country abroad, the Western country? Usually the people who come with a realistic expectation, respect the culture, learn the language, keep busy, maintain savings, build real friendships, accept that life is different. They don't come looking for a fantasy. They come looking for a new life. Southeast Asia can be one of the greatest places in the world to retire, where I am now, Philippines, as an example. But paradise is not a location. It's a state of mind, right? The beach is beautiful. The food is amazing. the cost can be attractive, but your happiness follows you wherever you go. Retirement overseas is not an escape from life. It's a new version of it. And the question is, are you ready for the reality behind the dream? Yeah, that's the question. Are you ready for the reality behind the dream? Let me know what you think. There's many questions here to be asked and answer. So don't hesitate. Let me know. And let me know if this is helping you in your new move or recent move. Yeah. Good luck. And by the way, when I make videos like that, and whatever video I make, it's not just about me. I don't make for myself. A lot of people already sort of put me in the picture as the main actor. No, it's wrong. This is for everybody. This is to help everybody. It's for you as well. Not just for me. Take it that way. Can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye. I hope you like my new setting.